Hello everyone. If you have applied for a job at LinkedIn and by chance you get an interview call and you are worried about how to prepare yourself for the interview, here is one cool feature in LinkedIn Premium that can help you. Let's have a look. Let's say you have a job here in LinkedIn. You can search for any of the job. Let's assume there is one job that you applied for, which is this one. What you can do in this case is take help from the LinkedIn Premium feature, which is your AI powered job assessment. So if you look at this feature, you would realize you a few things that it has few things mentioned. So which is called as your AI powered job assessment. So you can see the show match details option, the tailor my resume option, practice an interview option, and create cover letter option. So today I'm going to highlight you how this practicing an interview feature is going to help you. So we click on practice an interview and you will see the details about the job and what to expect from this interview. So this AI interviewer, the LinkedIn AI interviewer, would ask 5 questions based on a job. So they will take out all the details from the job and craft the questions in the manner that most likely would help this position. You can end at any time. You have to be there at the end and see how the results are, because what's important in this is when it gives you the readiness score of this job, the interview readiness score, and also the guidance on how to improve your responses. So I'm going to try it again and let's see how it works. Here you
Hello,
go.
Fahad. Welcome to this mock interview session for the role of senior manager. This session is designed to help you practice and improve your interview skills. Your answers are private and will not be shared with any company. You can end the session at any time to get personalized feedback and insights, and you can retake the session anytime. Let's get started. Can you describe how you would approach developing a new learning strategy to address future competency needs? What steps would you take to ensure alignment with organizational goals?
Thank you very much for asking this question. So the first thing I need to understand is the existing.
Thank you for outlining your approach. Could you provide more details on the specific steps you would take to identify the future competencies required for the jobs evolving in the organization? Additionally, how would you implement the 70-20-10 principle in your strategy to address these competency gaps? Thank you for explaining your approach in detail. Can you provide an example of a time when you have previously implemented the 70-20-10 principle in a learning strategy? Additionally, how would you measure the effectiveness of this strategy to ensure it meets the organizational goals?
Thank you very much for your time. So I just gave an interview. So yeah, it asked me build up questions as well. So based on my answers, it was asking me some build up questions too, as you saw that the sequence of the question. What it is doing now is it's analyzing my conversation, and now it provides me the the feedback on my interview readiness, which is medium. So it says that learn how your score is calculated. Let's have a look. So your mock interview is assessed based on both the completion of questions and the quality of your responses. How can I tell if I have finished the mock interview? You have completed the mock interview when you have answered all the questions. What does quality refer to? It means your answers are well structured, relevant, and professional. So these are how the scores calculated, and then it says my strengths. So it says my relevance is better, my specific evidence that in the relevance I did a good job in addressing the questions directly and staying on the topic. So I provided specific evidence as well, and there were questions on the stakeholders, so I answered those stakeholder awareness questions as well. So it gives me the feedback from my transcript as well. You can go through your full transcript as well. So these are the questions it asked. This is how I have responded to these questions. If you could see my responses here, which are detailed, it is asking me for conciseness. It's a full transcript that you would also get, and then it will give me some conversation insight on every question that I've answered. Okay, so let's see the one. The response is somewhat repetitive and lacks clarity in certain parts. It would be beneficial to structure or answer more clearly, avoid unnecessary repetition. So again, example could be, first I would assess the current competency levels and learning benchmarks of the associates. Then I would identify the future competencies required for evolving job roles within the organization by comparing the current and future competencies. So I answered in this manner, and it is giving me the feedback that should have been some. So likewise, friends, you can always take the best out of AI in everything that you are doing. There are a few other features as well. You can club AI coaching as well, but this is what I wanted to share with you. You can read through your feedback even before the interview, help yourself get better prepared for these questions. Of course, you cannot expect all those questions to be coming at your end from the human interviewer, but preparing for an interview this way can give you some confidence that I should approach the questions that are going to get answers. Thank you very much. Hope that you like this feature. Please post your comments on any other thing that you would like to know on this. Thank you.